In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain to your Lovable app using GoDaddy DNS settings. If you've already built and published your app in Lovable, the next step is making it accessible through your own domain name. This gives your project a more professional look and makes it easier for people to find and remember your site. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to connect that domain by updating the correct DNS records in GoDaddy. To begin, go to Lovable and make sure your app is published. Once it's live, open your app settings and navigate to the Custom Domain section. This is where Lovable provides the information you'll need to point your domain correctly. Take a moment here to confirm that you're in the right place before continuing, because the values shown in this section are what you'll use in your DNS setup. Next, enter your custom domain name into Lovable. For example, this could be something like yourdomain.com. Be sure to type the domain carefully and double-check for spelling errors, since even a small mistake can prevent the connection from working properly. After entering the domain, Lovable will typically display the destination details you need for the next part of the setup. Now switch over to GoDaddy and log into the account where your domain is managed. Open the DNS management page for that domain. This is the control panel where you can create or edit DNS records which tell the internet where your domain should send visitors. In the DNS settings, add an A record for the root domain. In most cases, the host will be set to the @ symbol, which represents the main domain without any prefix. Point that A record to the IP address provided by Lovable. This record ensures that anyone visiting your main domain is directed to your app. After that, add a kname record for the www version of your domain. Set the host to www and point it to the Lovable app destination URL shown in your custom domain settings. This makes sure that visitors who type the www version of your domain will also be routed correctly. Once both records are saved, give the changes some time to propagate. DNS updates are not always instant, so it may take a little while before the domain starts working everywhere. If it doesn't update right away, that's normal. Just wait a bit and check again. After propagation is complete, your custom domain should be connected to your Lovable app and ready to use.